If you would like to see what I got in my Quicklotz Apparel box, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Summer. This is Ethan. He's my helper for today, and I'm an online reseller. This is part 3 of my Quicklotz half pallet of apparel, and this could be women's, men's, kids.
I hope men's in this one.
Clothes. That's why he's helping me, because he wants to find some men's clothes, but we have not been lucky so far. But anyways, I have already unboxed the first 2 boxes. If you haven't seen those videos, go back and check those out. And I paid $475 and $149 shipping. I got these boxes in 2 days, which is amazing. They ship next day. I don't live but an hour and 15 minutes from their warehouse, so it gets to me pretty quickly. It probably won't be like that for everyone, but it is for me, so I love that. I've already ordered and unboxed. If you want to go check out those videos, the half pallet of general merchandise, it was really good. The stuff is selling very well, very quickly, and so I wanted to try this box out and see how it is, and so far I've been impressed. Everything just about had tags on it. Very little damage that I've seen so far. Of course, I hadn't took the time to like really look at the stuff, but at first glance, everything looks really good. I've got a minimal amount of kids' clothes, which I'm happy about. So I hope that continues. So anyways, let's see what we got in this one.
Okay.
All right.
How are we going? Oh, here, I can do it here. Watch out, I'm
Yeah, you're making me nervous.
I'm making my own self nervous, so you
So this is my son, if you are wondering. He is 16, and he did want to start reselling himself.
I make some money.
Make some money. One, because we've told him he needed to go get a job this summer, which we didn't do. He's super, super shy, so he's struggling with wanting to go get a job. But he wanted to try to do reselling himself at one time, but then he figured out how much work it is, because it is work. He didn't want to do it.
It's too much work.
Too much work.
I couldn't do it.
He'd rather just sit and play video games.
Yep.
But anyway, all right, so let's see what we got.
What is it? I got one.
This is Good Luck Gem, size extra large. Okay, so this is doesn't have tags, but that's okay.
Okay, this might be a stupid question, but is this straps?
No. This is for when you hang it on the hanger.
I was thinking that, but that's why I said this might be a stupid question, because I didn't know.
This is Gibson Look, size extra.
Well, where's the arms? Oh, I see. They're right here. This is like a little scarf.
No, this is a cow neck. That's why it looks like that. This is long sleeves. So this just has the last chance tag on it. I'll just snip that off because it has $8.97 for the price, and of course I will list it higher than that. So I'll just list it like new.
You got a lot of tie-dye sweaters.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this one looks different.
Which is fine. Yeah. I guess that's going to be in. I know it was in this past year. This is Sweet Romeo.
What's that?
Scoop bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is size, I don't know. It doesn't say. And again, if you guys are interested in any of these items, I will have these posted in all of my platforms, or listed in all my platforms, and all those links were listed down in the description. If you want to check those out, and if you let me know you seen the item on my video, I will give you a great deal. This is a 1 state, size extra, extra large. This one doesn't have tags. That's okay. What you got?
I green
A green sweater.
turtleneck thing. I don't know. I ain't good at this.
This is Sweet Romeo, size extra large.
Ooh, this
It's a
is
sweater.
itchy. Too.
Yeah, another one of those very big cow neck Gibson extra small. Now this one has the regular tag on it, so that's good.
Itchy.
These are really soft though. Is that one itchy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a big sweater fan because a lot of sweaters are itchy and I can't stand it.
I only have one sweater.
This is RDI, size medium. Yeah, he likes sweatshirts. That's about all he wears. And also wears sweatshirts in the summer.
Yep. It's the style.
It's the style.
It is.
But then he goes outside when we go places and he's got the sweatshirt on. He's like, I'm hot. I'm like, well, it is 90 degrees outside.
That's what you do for fashion, I guess.
I guess. Forgetful Grace, size small. Green. That's all you got, green.
Yep, that's all I got.
Sweet Romeo, size medium.
Pink.
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 This one is Prama, Prma, size extra large. Prama. A lot of these brands I've never heard of. So I'll have, which I love. That's why I love getting these boxes because I like to research new brands because I've learned a lot since I've started reselling.
Another one of these things, but what?
But white. Gibson looks size small.
I think I'm out of luck on this one, too.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get any men's clothes.
Oh, what's this? It's a bag.
This is Gibson size medium again. One of those cow neck shirts, but in a white. Something in a bag.
What is this?
Retails for $89.50. Denim bootcut jeans.
Oh, here's another one.
These are men's, probably.
Look, there's another one.
Or maybe not. No, these are Chicos.
Look.
Size 3.
Here's
Short.
another one.
Yeah. These are black jeans.
Whoa, that's big.
I'll go ahead and list those now because people buy jeans all the
That's
time.
the really big bottom.
These are the same, but they're size 3.5. These are 3.5 talls, actually.
What's this?
This is Sanctuary size 1X.
This is soft.
This one doesn't have tags, but it can. That's okay.
This is velvet. Is that what this is? That's not
It feels like velvet, don't it?
Yep.
This is a Derek Hart size large. Some cute
Oh,
little
that's that click heart.
boho looking shirt.
Oh, it does say different.
Button it up.
Yeah,
This is
trying.
White Willow, size small.
There we go.
This is kind of cute.
There we go. I did it.
You did it.
Yep.
This is Chelsea 28, size medium.
Oh, another bag of pants.
Yep, another pair of Chicos, but these are a size 0 short.
Another one of these shirts.
RDI size small. We've gotten a lot of those in our other box.
Already.
I'm gonna have to show y'all this amount of clothes I have. This is insane. RDI size
Another bag
large.
of pants. These look like regular blue jeans.
Let me see. No, these are the same.
Oh,
No,
another-
no, they're not. But they're Chicos, but they're different.
Another one.
These are a size 0 short. A pair of bootcut jeans.
Oh,
And these are the same, except for same size. So that's great. Multi-quantity listing.
go.
I'm fine with Chicos. I sell Chicos pretty good. Bootcut, size 8 tall. These are just some regular jeans. Are you still looking for men's
Yes.
clothes in the bottom of
Yes.
the box?
Uh-huh.
Another one of these RDI shirts,
Another
in a
one.
size medium. There's another one.
Dang, no. Oh, another one?
Size extra large.
Another one.
A size large.
And another one.
size large.
Dang.
We got another one of the, no, this is different. This is cast line, size small.
Another one.
What is that?
An RDI.
Yeah, this is a different print though.
It's
This
just
one's
gray.
a size large.
Dang, I think I'm out of one.
RDI size extra large.
Dang. Another one.
Yep, another one of these RDI in a medium, but a different color. This is another one of those really big cow neck Gibson look shirts, but in a size extra small.
I see bright red.
This is one state size large. This is pretty. It's got the fringe sleeves on it. That's different.
It looks like it. Look, it went with that
BP size
other
small.
one because it looks like the same material.
Yeah. It's a real fuzzy sweater.
I feel like I have whatever.
The dust in your mouth.
No, like the
fuzz.
the fuzz in my mouth.
Lead size extra large. It's just a cow neck sweater. We have cast line size medium. RDI size medium.
This is soft too.
Sweet Romeo size extra large. That's really soft. It's got the balloon sleeves.
Tank. Wait, what is this? Oh,
Look,
that's a bodysuit, and I touched the.
quit being retarded. Extra, I mean, yeah, it says extra large socialite, and it is a bodysuit.
I touched.
You'll
Oh,
be
well, they're not
okay.
used. Are they? Something broke.
Yeah, it's okay.
Probably the tag.
Lead size extra small.
Another one of those shirts, I think.
Yeah, another one of those Gibson look Conex shirts. Size small. This one's in blue. This is Devotion by Cyrus, extra large. We have BCBG Max Azaria, size small. This is a take. It has no tags on it.
Shirt.
It looks like it's peeled, but it may supposed to look like that. I don't know.
Sweatshirt.
This
Dang,
is
I
a
know
Max
one of these
Studio
shirts.
size 2X. This is
You have
a
a bunch of
hoodie,
these.
long sleeve shirt.
This is like another round of the earmuffs, but with
Yeah.
these shirts.
Size medium. I
gloves.
got a lot of earmuffs.
And
in my
gloves.
half pallet of general
A
merchandise.
bunch of earmuffs and gloves.
I got 15
Oh
earmuffs.
my god. How
Yeah, I
many
got a lot of
did you
gloves
get?
too. But I did sell one of the pair of gloves for $50 on eBay.
It probably just looked like there was a lot because there are two pairs. But if you really think about it, it really wasn't that much.
The gloves?
Yeah, because there's
No,
two.
there was a lot of gloves.
Otherwise.
A lot of leather gloves. This is another Gibson look, size small. It's that cow neck shirt.
Here's a shirt. Or, oh, it's another
Another
one.
one of those in the blue. This is Topshop, size 4-6. Here is another Topshop.
Oh, for
Same
a t-shirt.
thing, but a size 8-10.
This is a t-shirt. Or sorry, like a t-shirt or something.
Gibson look, size medium. I think your head's in the way. I'm showing
My bad.
stuff. This is Treasure and Bond, size small. What you got?
Oh.
You got stuff in
This
your
is a long
lap?
sweater. Oh, it has that
That
dip
scoop
thing.
on the bottom.
Yeah.
This is Bobo, size medium. This is Treasure and Bond, size medium. It's a scoop bottom sweater. I'm gonna leave that in there. Status by Chenault, size extra small.
This one has a really long
boy
neck.
for you.
Look. That's what I need. I got a long neck.
This is cast line, size extra small. The tag's just coming loose on one side, but that's no big deal. Sanctuary, size medium. It's a turtleneck long sweater. I am sick of sweaters. RDI, size medium. It's an olive green color. This is CENY, size small. Top Shop, size 6. That's tiny. RDI, size medium. It's just a collared.
Dang, another one of these shirts. And that's the thing.
Yeah,
That's the scoop.
RDI, size small. It's like a black waffle knit. That is Treasure and Bond, size small.
What is? Oh, that's the table.
Still looking for those men's clothes.
Yeah.
No luck yet.
Nope. J. Crew.
What does this say? It says a Muse on one side. What does that say on the other side? Society? Muse Society?
Is it upside down?
No, that's okay.
Oh yeah, one side says music and that one says
So Society.
That's weird.
This is an extra small.
I know stitching now.
J. Crew, size medium. That's weird that that's in there.
Why?
Because it's J. Crew. They don't sell that at Nordstrom. I don't think. I wouldn't think. This is Everlane. I like Everlane. It sells very quickly. And this is an extra small. It's a very soft sweater.
Max
And
Studio.
last item is Max Studio, size extra large. Very soft sweater. So yeah,
That's it.
I think that's pretty good, I guess.
Boys clothes.
No boys clothes, that's all right. We got one more box, so if you want to see what I got in the last box, check that video out in the next video. And if you like reselling content, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up on the way out. And thank you so much for watching. And tell us what you thought. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.